G'day guys, super easy way to stop your seatbelt alarm from beeping in 70 series LandCruiser. Turn your ignition on, make sure it's on odometer. If it's on trip meter, just put it back on odometer, turn the ignition off, back on again. Hold the odometer for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then plug your seatbelt in. After 10 seconds and after you've plugged your seatbelt in, you'll get this little setting, be on, be off. You can push the odometer once for on, once for off. Pick your setting and flick the ignition back off again. Sorted. No more beeping alarm when you drive away for your seatbelt.